welcome back to my channel. As I told, I will create the railing on the roof in this so it looks nice. So how to create the railing? So to create the railing, you need to go to the roof floor. In the project browser, simply double click on roof. Then you can see here, this is the railing command. Okay, so simply click on railing. Okay, now I want to create the railing, so simply select this rectangle. If you will select rectangle, you can select this railing and offset. You can select the railing full one time, you can draw. So I want to put the offset 150. Okay, offset 150 from this point. Simply select this point and that corner to this corner. Okay, now simply select on finish. So your ceiling is drawn already, so you want to see, simply click on this 3D view and how it looks like. So this is your railing. Okay, if you want to change the style of this railing, so how you will change? Simply select this railing. So if you take your cursor on this railing, so it's highlighted. Okay, so simply select this. Okay, and go to this here railing. In the properties panel, there are different types of railing given. So first one is 900 mm pipe railing, and second one is rectangular, and third one is glass panel bottom fill. So I want to check this also, rectangular. Please select rectangular. So how it looks like. This is rectangular railing. Okay, now again I want to change this another, so simply select this and go to this properties panel, and now this time I want this railing, this glass panel bottom. Okay, so this is glass panel railing. Okay, if you want to see in this section view or in the elevation, so simply select any one of the elevation, double click, and how it looks like. So it's very easy to create the section elevation in the Revit. Simply select this and how it looks like. This is your railing. Okay, if you want to change the railing style from here also, you can simply select this and from here you can change. Okay, now in this north elevation, it's also changed. Everything has been changed. Each and every elevation, it has been changed. Okay, simply select this and change. If you want to change this also, you can change here. Simply select this. If you want to change the size for this, you can change. So simply select this all and change the size. One time select these windows and select this, and if you want to change the size, you can simply change. So where you go? Okay, now again I want to see in this 3D view, so simply select this view and you can see this window has been changed in the 3D view also. Okay, now go to this west elevation. Okay, if you want to change this all one time, so what we will do, simply go to this fifth floor and simply select this all windows or all doors. Or go to this elevation, north elevation, and you have to select this again, change from here. Then go to the south elevation, simply press the control button and simply select these windows and go to this properties panel and change the window style. Okay, and then again go to this west elevation, simply select all these one time, you can change. Okay, now we have to, you can see these are the panels, these are the tabs already open. So this is the 3D view, simply select, no need to go again and again here. And how it looks like. So I hope you guys learn how to create the railing and how to change the window style, and in the next tutorial guys we will see how to change the color, how to change the wall color, how to apply the materials and all. Okay, so don't forget to watch my next tutorials. After completion of this architectural plan, we are going to design here HVAC and plumbing as well as firefighting. So please be with me and keep subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys, thank you for watching my videos, thank you, bye bye.